Okay, y'all, yesterday we were at 710 and today we're back to work. So being that the T-Top still got stock exhaust, we're gonna go ahead and put the BBKs on. So yesterday we were at the track running our personal best with the notch, and today we're back to work with the T-Top. So the T-Top is completely stock. The only thing that it got on it right now is an oversized car. But my plan is to do full bolt-ons, exhaust, intake, rear gears, the whole thing. But the engine is going to stay stock because, like I said, this is going to be my cruiser. So to make sure that I keep it a cruiser, I'm not going to do no crazy cam, no aftermarket heads. Just gonna leave her as stock as we can. Okay, y'all, so today we're gonna take the BBK headers that were on my car and replace them for the stock headers that are on the T-Top. So if y'all know about factory headers, then you know they come with restrictions. As you see, not only are they pinched right here, but on the inside in the wells, they got all that's, you know, blockage. And when we go to the BBK, you see how much open they have, and how much wider they are. So these are the better options. Okay, y'all, I got my new headers in. You see, I gotta go to the parts store and get a pipe. But after that, she'll be good and be back up and running. Okay, guys, back with the T-Top. I left off the other day, putting on the BBK headers, and now I can finish with the rest of the exhaust. I gotta get the long pipe up first, and then I'll be able to see where I could put the 90-degree elbow pipe. I did already do the passenger side because that's the hard side. So we just got the driver's side left to do. Okay, so y'all see, this is how the passenger side exhaust comes down and around. So the only way that I could make it work was I had to go get this elbow piece so that we could bring it going backwards, because right now it's facing towards the driver's side. Okay, so I got her up and in, and where you see this short pipe ends, that's where I'll end up putting my X pipe to finish off my exhaust. So I still got a little bit work left to do before she's completely finished, but so far so good. The first startup